What up? So, quick little Hydrodipping video. I got this valve cover from PFI. We're gonna do carbon fiber on it. And then I have these first gen MR2 valve covers that I'm doing in Anime Girls for a friend. And then we're gonna paint the letters red, which is gonna be a pain in the butt. So that's the intro. Now, are you ready to hear the weird noises I make when I look at the valve covers that I've cleared beautifully? Those are freaking sweet. The lettering was super hard, and if you get crazy close, the lines aren't, they actually look really good. You can see like right there on the bottom of that O, you know, they're not perfect, but I mean, if you are that guy that gets this close, I don't really care. So they turned out really good. All things considered, I like them quite a lot. They really do, I mean, in all seriousness, they really do look good. And they clear laid really well. Letters came out good. The graphic did a great job of getting everywhere it needed to. So this is a GSR valve cover for PFI. If you don't follow their channel, check them out. It's PFI Speed, and they do a bunch of Honda stuff and a bunch of other random fun jobs and toys that come in the shop. So this is for one of their customers, and it turned out pretty cool. I like it quite a lot. Clearly really well. Graphic did a good job laying evenly. So these, the underside of these, I've already dipped carbon. These are like window guards for a Focus ST. So the bottom side's already carbon, and then I just did these gloss black so the passengers weren't looking at whatever the heck was the remaining of the carbon on the front. So those turned out pretty decent. Hello. Sorry, it's late. I'm weird tonight. I'm on some lack of sleep, more or less. Okay, that's it. Like I said, sorry, it's late. It's like 2 in the morning. I've been up since 7. I gotta be up tomorrow at about the same time and start the day all over again. So I'm a little loopy and I'm ready for bed. If you guys are interested in having me do any of that, any hydrodipping, all the links are in the description to my Instagram and Facebook, and that's where you can see all of my work. There's about 600 graphics to choose from. High-tech paints on those valve covers. I use an epoxy primer, and that really grabs hold of the aluminum really, really well. I've had no issues with the primer at all. So yeah, good quality stuff. I've been doing this for like 5 years now. At this point, I kind of know what works and what doesn't. So as you can see from a lot of videos too, I'm upfront and honest about what I'm doing and pros and cons to what we try and risk and reward factors and all that jazz. So if you guys have anything you want dressed up, we're in basically we're in Denver, Colorado. Yeah, like I said, man, I'm going to bed. Sorry, I'm tired. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. If you guys have any questions, I read all the comments, all that jazz. So thanks again for watching, and next video will be of the bug. Ha!